Hello everybody, myself Usha. Today I'm here to show you the project which is named Computer Vision Based Mouse. The purpose of this project is controlling the mouse of our computer without any physical device, even without a mouse. I wrote my project on Python. Now I'm going to explain the code of this project. This project is implemented by the OpenCV, which is a library in Python, and it is used to deal with the image manipulation and also the video manipulation. So beginning with the project, I have imported the three libraries here, which is NumPy and OpenCV and PyAutoGUI libraries. PyAutoGUI is a library which is used to controlling the mouse pointer in Python. And then I have set the failsafe to false and pause to 0 here because failsafe is a property of a PyAutoGUI, which means if you want to exit the program, um, if anything goes wrong with your project, you can exit the program by taking the mouse pointer to the top left corner of your screen. It is enabled by default. So if you don't want to do that, just set the PyAutoGUI.failsafe to pause. And then I have set the pause to 0 here. Pause also a property of a PyAutoGUI function. And I have set the pause to 0 because I don't want any pauses between the mouse commands. And then start capturing your video by using cv.video capture and then take the input from your webcam. And next, I have taken two colors here, yellow and green. Yellow color is used to move the cursor and the green color is used for the clicking purpose. Here, these are the MP arrays. Now, I mean NumPy arrays, NP array means which is from NumPy library. It is used to define the HSV range of these colors, which colors we have taken, yellow and green, and then define an infinite loop to read the frames from the video captured by a webcam, and then reading the frame by cam.read function. You have to flip the frame about the vertical axis. You can flip the frame by using cv.flip function, and here one is belongs to the vertical axis and 0 is belongs to the horizontal axis. And the next, smoothing our image. cv.gaussian blur is used for smoothing our image. This helps us in the removing any noise from our camera feed. We have to define some region of interest and track the motion of the marker only in that region. I had defined mask variable here to define a region of interest. First of all, we have to create completely black mask by creating zeros array as the same size as the frame captured by your webcam, and then change the pixels in a square region in either directions to white pixels. You will then get the region of interest in your frame. To indicate this region of interest, draw a rectangle and grid on the actual frame by using cv.rectangle and cv.line functions here. It will detect the largest yellow colored object in the region of interest, and we have to convert the masked image into a HSV color space. So by using cv.cvt color, we are converting the BGR to HSV color space, and we are using cv.inrange function because to extract only in a pixels in a particular region, we have to use inrange function here. And then finding the contours by using find contours of yellow color pixels, and then we have to find the index of the largest contour, I mean in the yellow color. If the condition is true, then it will go through the next step. If the condition is false, it will not. And then assigning the by using np.argmax function, assigning the variable to I mean area to maximum index function, and the contours of the maximum index assigning to another variable. And then I am using cv.movements functions here because this will use to find the centroid of the yellow color object by using cv.movements function. And now find a small circle with the cx and cy with the radius of 4, and this will represent the position of the marker, and now we have to determine the position of the marker relative to the grid. Based on the position of the pointer, the cursor will move. Use the move rail function here of the it is of the PyAutoGUI library to move the cursor based on the distances you had assigned earlier. You have to assign the distances here, and I have assigned 20, maximum 20 and minimum 20 here. You can assign whatever you want. Use the index, and then we are going to clicking purpose. Use inRange function here to find the range in the HSV of the green color. By using find contour functions here, you will find the contour of the image of the green threshold. You will check if the contours list is not empty, which means a green color contour is actually detected or not. If the condition is true, then it will call the click function of the PyAuto GUI library, which is by default it is a left click, and give a delay for that, which means wait key, and then save the file and run the code. Just wait a minute, I'll show you. Um, you can see that the rectangular grid here, you can control the mouse using yellow color. See, the mouse is moving, and whenever you want to click that, just flash the green. You can see that. And then if you move ball, I mean the yellow color out of the grid, your cursor will not be controlled, because we should we make sure that the cursor, I mean the yellow color marker will inside the rectangular region. So thank you. This is how my project was done. Thank you.